A government shutdown could affect the nation's response to the most widespread flu season in recent years. A map from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shows how this virus has spread since October. So if a funding bill is not passed, the agency will likely furlough a majority of its staff, including those who monitor this virus. Some school districts in Texas have shut down because of the flu. Omar Villafranca is in Dallas with the latest on the story. Omar, good morning.
Good morning. Here in Dallas County, 38 people have already died from the flu this season. Last year at this time, there were no deaths at all. Now, the Children's Health System here has already seen more than 2,100 confirmed cases of the flu, and that number is expected to go up.
For the past month or so, we have been overwhelmed with a very large number of patients.
With flu patients pouring into health centers nationwide, some hospitals are responding as they would for a major disaster. This triage tent was constructed outside the emergency room for California's Loma Linda University Medical Center.
We've set up the tent outside in an attempt to just find a place to continue to evaluate patients and treat them.
At a congressional hearing on public health threats, federal health officials stressed the severity of the flu's impact.
Influenza is probably the greatest natural health threat we face.
In Oklahoma, the flu has forced at least half a dozen school districts to shut down for at least a day. The virus alone has caused more than 20 deaths and more than 1,000 hospitalizations across the state. Across the border in Texas, 58 students called out sick Wednesday at the Shelton School and Evaluation Center in Dallas.
You can use it under the arm, you can use it in your mouth.
Nearly half of the school's 920 students are using smart thermometers to record their temperature online.
The parents can post anonymously what their child is feeling, if they have a sore throat, if they have flu, if they have a headache.
Nurse Eve Herman says it helps the school community monitor and limit the spread of flu outbreaks.
If the families know that their child has symptoms of other children that have the flu, they're more than likely to keep them home.
Kinza is one of those companies that makes a smart thermometer, and they found that Missouri is the sickest state in the country. About 5.2% of the people there reported sick. That's more than 40,000 people coming down with the flu virus, and it's already killed 33 people in the state. Norah?
Boy, those numbers really put it in perspective. Omar, thank you so much.